Why did the Sun King destroy his most loyal minister? In the glittering halls of Versailles, a trusted advisor made one fatal mistake. Nicolas Fouquet, the finance minister, believed that dazzling displays of wealth would secure his favor with King Louis Roman XIV. However, in the world of power, appearances can be deceiving. Fouquet's grandiosity did not go unnoticed, and it sowed seeds of suspicion in the king's mind. The story of his downfall is a timeless lesson in the dangers of revealing too much. Conceal your intentions. In the game of power, showing your hand too soon can be your downfall. Today, keeping your plans under wraps is as crucial as ever. Just like in the court of Louis Roman XIV, modern environments demand a strategic approach to ambition. By concealing your true goals, you maintain control over your narrative and prevent others from undermining your efforts. This principle is as relevant now as it was in the opulent corridors of Versailles. Meet Nicolas Fouquet, the ambitious finance minister of France. In 1661, he threw a lavish party to impress Louis Roman XIV, but here is what he missed. His extravagant display was not just a celebration. It was a declaration of his own power and influence. Fouquet's intentions were as clear as the crystal chandeliers that adorned his estate. Instead of securing his position, he inadvertently exposed his ambitions, making him a target for the king's growing paranoia. Fouquet's grand display was meant to secure his position. Instead, it revealed his ambitions to the king. The opulence of his event was a double-edged sword, showcasing not only his wealth but also his potential threat to the throne. In the delicate dance of court politics, such transparency can be fatal. Louis Roman XIV, ever wary of rivals, saw this as a challenge to his authority. Fouquet's misstep serves as a cautionary tale about the perils of overexposure. Louis Roman XIV, feeling threatened, had Fouquet arrested. The minister's intentions were laid bare, and his fate was sealed. The king's swift action was a stark reminder of the consequences of revealing too much. In the world of power, even a hint of ambition can provoke fear and retaliation. Fouquet's downfall illustrates the importance of keeping one's true goals hidden, lest they become the very reason for one's undoing. Why does this law work? Envy and insecurity are powerful forces. When others see your plans, they can become your greatest enemies. The human psyche is wired to protect one's own status, and any perceived threat can trigger defensive actions. By keeping your intentions concealed, you avoid arousing envy and maintain a strategic advantage. This psychological insight is key to navigating the complex dynamics of power. In a world of status games, keeping your intentions hidden keeps others guessing. It maintains your advantage. When your true motives remain a mystery, others are less likely to act against you. This strategic ambiguity allows you to maneuver freely, adapting to changing circumstances without being hindered by opposition. The art of concealment is a powerful tool in maintaining one's position and influence. In today's workplace, revealing too much in a career review can backfire. Keep your long-term goals to yourself. While sharing achievements is beneficial, disclosing future ambitions can invite unnecessary scrutiny and competition. By focusing on present accomplishments, you ensure that your path remains unobstructed by others' agendas. This approach allows you to navigate professional environments with greater ease and security. In group chats, a well-placed comment can guide the conversation without revealing your true thoughts. This subtle influence allows you to steer discussions in your favor while maintaining a veil of neutrality. By carefully choosing your words, you can shape outcomes without exposing your intentions. This tactic is invaluable in both personal and professional settings, where discretion often equates to power. Conceal your intentions, keep your plans hidden. Let others reveal theirs, maintain the upper hand. By mastering the art of discretion, you position yourself as a formidable player in any arena. This law is not about deception, but about strategic self-preservation. In the intricate game of power, those who reveal the least often hold the most influence. In the game of power, the unseen move is the most powerful. Next, discover why saying less can mean more. The ability to withhold information strategically is a skill that can elevate your standing and protect your interests. Join us as we delve into the next law, exploring the profound impact of silence and restraint in the pursuit of power.